Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting post from Dave Plummer. This is the guy who created the Task Manager in Windows and has worked many years, including in the era of Windows XP. And he was explaining that Windows 11 needs what Windows XP received back in the day, which is a Service Pack 2 kind of update. So why such an update? Well, in the time of Windows XP, it was clear because Windows XP was the first online, really internet, operating system for Windows. And it showed the vulnerabilities of Windows as an operating system that would always be connected. So they created a Service Pack 2 that was not only bug fix, it was in reality a complete re-release of Windows XP with a lot of fixes in it. And he's saying that Windows 11 needs that. And not that it necessarily needs to be like that, but that there should be a second version of Windows 11 that is like Windows XP Service Pack 2, meaning no AI, no bloat, no unnecessary things that people don't want, but a lot of bug fixes, a re-release, if you want, of Windows 11, where everything that people are complaining about is fixed. And he says that we really are at that point with Windows 11. It seems that, according to him, a lot or too much too many things are released in the operating system with features, and that the bugs are still there. They're not fixed for the most part. And he says that is not normal. This is where a equivalent re-release of Windows 11, just like Windows XP, would be required. And he says it would be actually a good idea and would probably boost the Windows 11 adoption, because people would now see that Microsoft is serious in fixing some of the bugs and the problems there. So this is a very interesting post. He goes on mentioning that, even Microsoft was able, and we had talked about this in a video several weeks ago, where Microsoft actually had broken the Task Manager itself, and that it created a process that would multiply every time you would shut down or close the Task Manager. So he's hoping that Microsoft could listen and do something like that, where I don't think that's going to happen, but I think it would be a good idea to have kind of a re-release, a rebirth of Windows 11, if you want, with a much more stable and, all the little things that are in there that are either bugs or that are, not right, fixed. And then you can continue on and have, other features when things are right. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.